ready for rally day 2. Nick's dilly-dallying. He's been up for about 3 hours. He's done nothing. Brendan's dilly-dallying. Ready for action. Let's go. Alrighty, gents. We are pulling out. WR250R Rally day 2. Let's go. Oh, so excited. So excited. You'd think after like 4 nights of camping, you'd be like, you know, tired, a bit over it. No, not at all. I'm freaking raring to go. Every morning, ready for action. Pretty scenic route today. I don't think it's going to be as kind of technical and a bit tricky as yesterday's. But we'll find out. I got no idea. Oh, McLaren. Freaking massive awesome cars coming past. Oh, GDR. What's this thing? Another McLaren. Merc, Beamer, Evo, Rexy. XR6 Turbo is probably the fastest though. Go the Barra, Barra the world. Oh, this is going to be a dilly-dally and a half. This will take hours. Bloody dickheads. Bloody scenic out here. Wine country. That was weak. Gotta get it a little bit further back. Yeah, rocking through wine country now. It's pretty through here. Start of the morning has seemed to be a bit of a road. Probably done about 100 k's, or maybe not 100 k's, maybe 60 k's of road or something, which I guess is good because this is what the WR250R is all about. Is that it is a bike that you can comfortably do, you know, hundreds of kilometers of road and single track. You know, not a lot of bikes that will comfortably do hundreds of kilometers of road and then easily do single tracks and stuff. WR does it flawlessly. I mean, we've ridden all the way from Melbourne up north of Sydney and then ridden a whole bunch of single tracks and gnarly stuff and broken bits of plastic on my bike, but everything else mechanically is perfect. I'm sure I'll ride it all the way home back to Melbourne without a single issue, and I won't do anything to it, and then I'll ride it on another multiple 1,000-kilometer trip in a week, and I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm jinxing myself now. What could possibly go wrong? Boys, let's do it. Come on, little 250. You can't do it. Can't beat the 4-fit. Ooh, bit of a hill climb, eh? Power! Third gear. Dub's got plenty of freaking gobies. Goosh, 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 goosh. Up in third. Yeah, go. Sucker. You are now corner man. That's not a 250R. Can't do that on a 250R. Show us some wheel. pretty good. It's making me work for it. Really don't want to get a big rock in my face though. So many jumps. This is a glorious bit of road. It's like sand, but it's that perfect level of sand where it's grippy, but you just got that little bit of slide to it. Absolutely brilliant.
G'day fellas.
G'day fellas, g'day gents. That's what we do. Look out, let's do wheelies. Oh, Timmy snapped his finger. Good luck. Oh, it's alright. You got 9 more, mate.
Can I go live?
You got 9 more.
I didn't think anything was wrong with me, and then I got up and my finger was pointed in the wrong direction.
Get it fixed here. It'd be way more expensive in America. We'll do it for free, mate. This is a WR250R. The bike I have, but this has been treated with Technic suspension. I've never ridden a WR with Technic, so it should be good. Hello character in my YouTube story. I feel bad for old mate on my bike. Such a piece of shit. It's literally the worst suspension probably here. Next to dirt. Come on, Nicky, mate. It's nice and high, that. All right, WR250R with Technic suspension. Let's go. Sheesh, Nick. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead. I need more speed. I'm gonna see how this baby goes. Oh my god, it's good under the brakes as well. It's the cornering. I thought it was gonna be like not bottoming them out on jumps, but the stability under the corners is fantastic. I'm 5 times faster on this thing. I've just overtaken the whole pack pretty much. Sup, GS bro? Alright, some nice bumps. Oh. That. Alright, I've caught up to a 450. There you go. It's the only one who's in front of me is on a WR450. Let's play some cat and mouse with it. Hard on the brakes. Front didn't dive. This is phenomenal. Big bump. No, didn't even feel it, mate. I can't believe this is a WR250. Big brakes into the sand. Slide. Crack. He's got an extra 20 horse than me. This is brilliant. Whoa. I honestly don't know much about suspension. If you watch my videos, you know I don't know shit about suspension. But I've never been on a motorcycle that, like, the comparison between stock suspension is different freaking bike. Alright, I'm done. I ran out of brakes a little bit there. I'm already 100% sold. I would really like to know how it compares to a Go Race in America. They seem to do some of the best suspension for a WR250R. But worth every penny. I just told him it's freaking brilliant. It's a different bike. He doesn't believe me. He's gonna be, you're gonna be so judgmental. Enjoy it. All right, Give it to me straight, doctor.
It is amazing.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's amazing.
And
so much more. You're on rails.
yeah,
I
you're on
feel
rails.
So confident. I was
Yeah.
like immediately a maniac. So, oh my god, like so much.
It's got no rebound.
There's nothing, yeah.
So once it hits a bump, it just keeps bumping.
Yeah,
it
just
keeps bouncing.
doesn't stop.
Like, if you're going out of a corner, it starts bouncing and it just keeps sliding.
Ooh, hey pups. Oh no, back on my bike. It's atrocious. Hey bud. Ooh, 32 GDR. I have one of them. Very nice. Parking up for lattes. Lattes, 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 lattes. Woo! Lattes! Ready?
Lattes?
Frick yeah. Let's do it, Nixon. The best shot though when you're so close to the the fast guys that are on corner marking, trying to get past. It's great. Oh, man, freaking, as you can see, you don't need freaking. You could do just fine on a WR250R, man, through the woods. This is fast enough for me. We've got a 450 here with us, and he's not freaking clearing away from us. Whoa, big rock with the fast boys, the lads. Jump into it. Oh, lads, the lads. Rock garden. Keep it up. It's actually, I should have looked up. Let's start looking up more and look at the actual line before I just head up there. Nice little medium death hill. You're kidding me. Hey, Bren Dogs. In a cold one. Nixon, ooh, go, 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 go. Oh, keep on the gas. Oh, where's he going? Oh, off he goes. Yeah, he's come off down there. You want to give me a hand? Arigato, otashimasu. Do you like my willy? How good is it? Ow. Love it, love it, love it. Woo, rock. Oh man, I love these kind of tracks. These are my favorite. These are hashtag fave track. It's the old tracks the kids make getting to town without getting on the main road. It's the best. Good freaking ride, mate. Good freaking ride. That was the WR250R Rally. Rolling back into Yamaha C-Snock. Rally done. Giving the bike a quick wash and then 1,000 kilometers home. This is adventure. Just pure adventure. Milkshake. Kanye burger. Good burger?
It's the best burger. It's like the chicken's like KFC chicken.
Yeah. If Technics made a burger, this would be
freaking hell. So we got a lot of rain coming in at home on the Hume, and we zipped into a little camping spot, and we're gonna camp in the pavilion because it's pumping down with rain. It's gonna rain all night, so we thought, frick that. It's rained every single night on this trip. Good test on my bivvy bag.
Where's the motel?
Motel is freaking, you can get lost, mate. Get back on the Hume. There's only 750 k's to home, so you can just do it now in the rain.
Hey, it's riding with Tom. Tom, come down.
Hello, owl. Are you a tawny or a barn owl or a ubugu owl? I know all the owls. I'm an owl genius.
Yeah, Tom's locked his
I go to Hooters. Hey! Hey! You just got water on me, champ. Looking directly into my eyes. It is really unnerving. Hoot, hoot, hoot.
What does it say on your watch?
7 degrees.
Yep.
This is where we camped last night. Lots of rain. Camped underneath the pavilion because it was rainy as hell. But yes, let's pack up and then do 7.5 hours of the Hume Highway. Kill me now on the barbecue. Yep, medium rare.
Yep.
Like it, man. I like it. It's got about 500 k's to go at Gundagai, Gundawindi Pork. Too many pigs around here, around Gundy.
Wrong Gundy, mate.
Gundy? Gundagai.
Gundawindi.
Gundawindi. I smash out this 500 k's. Let's just go back. Just do it again, mate. Just do it again.
5 days?
Yeah.
3,000 k's.
Done. I'm gonna go with a cheeky cheesy now. Just a cheeky cheesy.
Look who I ran into, boys.
Here I go.
Melbourne rider and riding with Tom.
Can't go through Orby without seeing Titan from Hell. Here he is.
That's it.
Here he is. Good old. All right. Let's get some petrol, boys. Petrol and off to Melbourne, eh?
That's it.
That's it.
Cool.
Just signing out.